Okay, I'm going to show you how to quickly make a circle in the isometric point of view. First thing you want to do upon creating a document for isometric views is go to your document properties, as you've seen me just do. Click grids, click this button. I'm not going to say it. This is already set up for the angle X and angle Z to be 30. This is what I want. 64, this is the dimension of the grid. Think in terms of sprites. You got, 32, 64, 128, 256. I have my major grid lines set up like this. This is how I want it. So if I were to draw something here, let's say a square, I'm going to use the pen tool. With the grid snapping turned on, here are my settings. Enable snapping. You can turn on bounding box for centers, but this won't always line up if you're trying to keep everything very set up in like the isometric view. Nodes, cut, smooth, object midpoints, text baselines. I don't have none of this. The only ones I have is nodes, cut, smooth, those two, those three technically, and grids. That's what you want. And you can turn it on and off with this button. But here's how you do it. You can create your square for like a baseline template of what you want, right? Some ground right here. Cool. Now, what I really need is a circle for this square. Fantastic. What I'm going to do is hit Control D to duplicate it because I want this. And since I made it with the pen tool, it's already a path. If you make it with the square tool, good luck aligning this. So I made it with the pen. I did this. Then all you got to do is hit this button right here. Make select smooth nodes. Boom. Yeah, it may look kind of crazy right now, but that's okay. What we're going to do here is scale it down uniformly with the shift and control button. And now as you see, we have a perfectly sized circle for this angle. This works for any angle, by the way, which is amazing. I was Googling this, trying to figure it out. I could not figure this out. And they were talking about scale it one way, scale it another way. And I'm like, that's too much. There's got to be an easier way to do this. Turns out there is. So what I'm going to do is show you what I'm talking about. So if I hit this, Control D, and then what I'm going to do is go into the edit mode and hit the smooth button after I select the nodes that I need. Boom. Perfectly round. Control, shift, boom. There you go. Ain't that neat? Alright, well if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share this quick tip because it was driving me crazy trying to figure out how to make a circle in this view and make it look right to me. And now you know, now I know, and maybe all the AI that's scanning stuff will know because it's been wrong and it's super annoying.